Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can customize the taskbar of Windows 11. So for that you have to open the settings. You can click here and click on settings icon. Then you have to go to personalization, and if you scroll down you will find the taskbar option. Click on that, and from taskbar you can add or remove items. For example, I have only turned on the search option, and I have turned on the widget option, and I have turned off the chat option because I don't use it, and I also have turned off the task view option because I don't use multiple desktop. So basically these are item customization in taskbar. And in here you can also add which icon will appear in this site. You can add the pen icon, then touch keyboard icon, virtual touchpad icon. If you are using a Windows device with touch options, touch display, you can enable these options. I don't have a touch device, that's why I turn it off. And you can also choose which icon will may show in here. Let me give an example. So if I turn it on from here, Discord, it will appear here. Now I can drag it and move it back to that arrow sign, or I can simply turn it off from here. So that's one more type of customizations. And here the final taskbar options are the taskbar behaviors, how will the taskbar appear. So you can change the alignment of taskbar. You can make it Windows 10 or the earlier Windows version, or you can make it center. I like it center. So you can also turn on the automatically hide taskbar, so it will hide the taskbar if you are in a program, but if you go to desktop and select the taskbar area, then it will appear again. So I don't like this option, that's why I'm going to turn it off. You can also add show badges, this option. If this is turned on, then if you get any notification in any app, then a badge will appear on the app icon. And this option is quite handy. So if it is turned off, then if you move your mouse in the corner and click, it doesn't do anything. But if this option is turned on, then you can simply go to desktop by pressing or clicking on here. So that's all are the Windows 11 taskbar customization options. If you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.